welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a spring collaboration with this beautiful chocolate chica, Aprell. I'm gonna link her video in my description box, so go ahead and check it out. As you can see from the intro, I went ahead and did, like, you know, faint colors. I didn't want it to be too bright for this tutorial today, so I didn't do the colors too bright, but it's more like, you know, simple spring glam, just a hint of color. And yeah, so what I'm doing right here is just basically applying my face makeup. And as you guys know, I do not wear foundation at the moment, just because, you know, I live in the tropics. It's really hot. I always explain this, but you know, and I get new subscribers, so I don't mind saying it again. And so, you know, the less product I feel like is better, and so I just apply the concealer in the areas I wish to highlight. And then I balance out the rest of my face with my Milani Warm 109 face powder. Right here, I'm just baking. And then I jump straight into contouring. You know, I just really wanted this to be a quick glam today. Yeah, so for the eyes, I'm taking Take Me to Brazil. And I opted for the yellow in that palette. And I'm just, you know, applying that to the crease with my fluffy blending brush here. And I'm just going back and forth building that color up. And then I went in on top of that with Real Gar from Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette. I applied this to my lower crease area, you know, to add depth, you know, and just make things a little bit more warm looking, because that yellow is pretty light, so we need to add some warmth. So for my lid, I applied some concealer, after which I blended that out. As you can see, I didn't use a super bright orange either. And then after applying that directly to the lid, I just kind of tied everything and went over back, just blending in the crease and stuff. Now after that, I applied this liner to my upper lash line only, and this is from Sister Cosmetics. I applied those lashes off camera. They're from KOKO Mink lashes, and they're in the Style Girl About Tone. I applied some of Real Gar on my lower lash line area, and then I dusted away the powder I used to bake afterwards. I pretty much sprayed my face with my Milani Make It Last setting spray, after which I kind of just dabbed everything in with my damp beauty sponge from Real Techniques. To highlight today, I'm taking my Artist Couture Illuminator in Sugar Daddy. I use this so much, you guys must know it by heart. No. Oh, and I applied some mascara to my lower lashes. I always love doing this. It just makes the eyes pop way more, and I love the look. So for lips today, I'm using my Gaelle. It's actually, the pronunciation is actually Gaelle, guys. It was my bad pronunciation in the beginning. I said Gaelle before, but it's actually Gaelle. And this is Michelle, and this is a very beautiful, so gorgeous, like purpley. Yeah, it's like a gorgeous purpley color, and I really like it. It gave the look a pop. So I just pat that in with my brush, and that's pretty much it for this look today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Hope it didn't bore you, because I tried my best to make it short and sweet. And don't forget to go ahead and check out Aprell's video. As I said, I'll link it in the description box. So yeah, that's it for today, and I'll see you guys in my next video.